Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make baba ganoush, an easy guide to this delicious dip. First, we begin by preparing our star ingredient, the eggplant. Choose 1 large or 2 medium eggplants, totaling about 1 1/2 pounds. Prick the skin all over with a fork. Then, roast them in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius until they are completely soft and the skin is nicely charred. This usually takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Once your eggplant is roasted and slightly cooled, it's time to prepare the delicious interior. Carefully slice each eggplant in half lengthwise. Using a spoon, gently scoop out all the soft, smoky flesh, leaving the skin behind. It's crucial to place this flesh into a fine mesh sieve for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This step helps drain any excess liquid, ensuring your baba ganoush has a wonderfully creamy, not watery, texture. Now for the magic of flavor, transfer your drained eggplant flesh to a bowl. Add 2 generous tablespoons of tahini, which provides that essential nutty depth. Squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lemon, approximately 3 tablespoons, for a bright, zesty kick. Mince 2 cloves of garlic very finely and stir them in. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Your homemade baba ganoush is almost ready to enjoy. Give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Before serving, transfer it to a shallow dish and create a swirl on top with the back of a spoon. Drizzle generously with a good quality extra virgin olive oil. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with fresh chopped parsley, a sprinkle of paprika, or even some vibrant pomegranate seeds. Serve it chilled or at room temperature with warm pita bread or crisp fresh vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.